Welcome to Hospitality Property School. You are listening to Hospitality Property School with your host, Jerry McPherson. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson, and last week I looked at technology trends to expect in 2018. Today, I'm going to take a look at 5 more technology trends to expect in 2018. 1. Internет of Things. It has been said that the Internет of Things technology has the potential to impact the travel industry in a great and positive way. Every day, sometimes without noticing, we rely on our devices. We go on a vacation, we need our phone for a multitude of reasons. We take a business trip, we bring our tablets along. We enjoy a city break, but not without relying on our smartphones to give us directions. And all of these devices, paired with the power of the Internet, can work together to make a stay in a hospitality property more enjoyable. The hospitality industry noticed this instantly, and it has been revealed that companies in the travel industry have led all industries in their investment in Internет of Things. In the year to come, it will be more important for hospitality properties to focus on integrating the Internет of Things in their establishments, since travelers, and especially the younger and more tech-savvy ones, will expect this. It's no longer unusual or unheard of to have the option of controlling the hospitality property room, the door, the thermostat, the TV, by using your own devices. Efficiency is the key in today's busy world, and the faster you acknowledge it, the more it will positively impact your business. 2. Housekeeping Technology. If there ever was a bona fide slowpoke in the technology adoption front, it would be the housekeeping department, more so than any other, an operation where great social capital is integral to success. Even with companies like MaidBot, IntelliBot, and Savoki, realistically, we are still a couple of decades away from having robots clean our guest rooms instead of living persons. In the interim, though, there are quite a few innovators striving to make your housekeepers better at their jobs through use of various technologies. There are now numerous software modules that seamlessly integrate with nearly any PMS to more efficiently schedule shifts, while other providers are focused on accountability. 3. Easily integrated future upgrades. Forced obsolescence will soon itself be obsolete. Somewhat, at least. Many consumers these days are hesitant to purchase unproven or next-generation devices because they fear they will have to go through the entire buying cycle within 3 years' time because the current slate is already out of date. It's a headache that many providers are addressing by only introducing forward-thinking devices and firmware that are adaptable to future innovations, so you don't have to constantly blow all your capital expenditure budget on new electronics. 4. An unending democratization of devices. We've seen this throughout the modern era, whereby a certain piece of technology starts off at prices too expensive for the average person, only for new entrants and economies of scale to bring those prices down to fair market levels. Barring some exponential leap into virtual reality processing ability, there's nothing truly game-changing hitting the market in the next 6 to 12 months, insofar as major innovations that will forever impact the ways we interact with the world. Instead, companies are largely focusing their efforts on maturing what's already out there by increasing accessibility to the next generation alternative devices and expanding functionality. This is happening for smart TVs, which have better prices for larger ones with each passing season, alongside more robust integration with other nearby electronics, more advanced internet-based services, and interesting new uses beyond their traditional placement in the guest room. While you might initially think it is wise to keep waiting for the prices to drop, to the commoditized range, this is still silly because by the time you're ready to upgrade, everyone else already has, and your new technology won't have any emotional impact on your guests. In other words, waiting to catch up with new technology is endless, and it is your duty as a leader to stay in the forefront by implementing change before the average hospitality property has done so. As in the case with many incremental upgrades, it is no longer a matter of what you can do, but of what you should do. You must first address where your core pain points are, and then research what technologies are available to improve your problems. And 5. Online reputation management. This last trend is not only for the year of 2018, but one that will never go out of style, is successful online reputation management. This is one domain that technology has also impacted in hospitality in time, and especially nowadays. New and exciting ways of managing a hospitality property's reputation arise. If you have any stories about technology trends and would like to share, or have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section of the show notes. You can find them at keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com/KHDC082. If you have topic ideas, reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/KeystoneHDC, on Twitter at twitter.com/KeystoneHDC, or by email at info@keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com. As always, let's continue to work together to put heads in your beds. Until next time, have a fun day. This session of Hospitality Property School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any hospitality property tactics and strategies that will help you find the success you have always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.